SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to turn off the pop-up blocker on an iPhone 14. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you want to disable the pop-up blocker on your iPhone 14, then you need to open the Settings app, scroll down, and choose the Safari option, and then you can tap the button to the right of Block Pop-ups to turn off the pop-up blocker. Now when you go back to Safari and you open a web page where you need to see a pop-up, that pop-up is going to display. If you're already on that page, then you might need to refresh it in order to get the pop-up to trigger.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.